Welcome to Winbo Mom's Kitchen. My today's recipe is bread halwa. This recipe is very easy to make with available ingredients in your kitchen. Let's get started. First, trim the 4 edges of the bread like this and keep aside. Take oil in a pan to fry the bread slices. Drop each slice one by one and gently fry it. In the same pan, fry cashews, almonds and dry grapes and keep aside. Now take 1 cup of milk in a pan and let it boil for some time. And add half cup of sugar and leave it until sugar gets dissolved well. In meantime, smash the cardamom pieces and make into coarse powders like this and add in the boiling milk and give a stir. After few minutes, we have to add those fried bread pieces into it and blend it well. And let them cook for about 10 minutes. Finally, add those fried nuts and blend it well and switch off the flame. Now our delightful bread halwa is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.